All right, all right, all right. Testing one, two, testing one, two. Looking good there. Appreciate that follow, Pelican. All right. Let's see. Let's see. Studio mode. I can add it to. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hey, there we go. Good, good, good. That should work right there. Let me get ready to turn that off. TD scanner. Let me go out here to my other settings. And put in storage. Okay, yeah, scanner. OBS studio thing. That's how you do it. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Waking up here at 8:06. Beautiful, another beautiful morning to trade. About to get it in. I will call this one scanner. TD scanner. Live. TD scanner. That is perfect. I just need to test it. All right, let's see if it'll work. Hey, there we go. Nice, nice. All right, so let me show you what I just added here. So I did end up re-downloading TD Ameritrade. I had deleted it for a while. I wasn't using it, but I had to get in there and make a new scanner to look for swing trades. So I have a scanner that basically looks within the price range from 10 cents to $5 for low floats that are pretty much uptrending, that are holding the 200 moving average. And I'm about to show you guys that right now. Let me go and get that really quick. All right, you should be able to see it now. Yep. I don't think it's cut off. I might need to move it up a little bit. Let me see. Okay, let me move this up a little bit. But this is the scanner that I made, and I need to extend this so you can see the full thing. There we go. There we go. All right. Okay. So these are the stocks that I've been watching. They don't really aren't receiving a lot of volume right now, but I do like the patterns on them, and that's why they show up on this scanner. And I will be looking down this list as we go through. So the first one we got is CLRO, then NAOV, XTLB, PO, NDRA, BGI, Volt, SYPR, APOP, and we can run through these real quick. And we did end up taking a swing on VIXY. I took a small swing because I wanted to get in even lower prices if it continues to drop. So I can just kind of average down with very low share size. But anyway, CLRO was a mover from this week. That's why it's on there. And these are all low floats. Okay, here's the first one, CLRO. You can see that it kind of spiked up out of this range here, and it's pulling back. On the daily chart, it's holding that little 200 moving average, but I would like to see it pull back. I would like to see a red day to see if it can hold above that. The next one is NAOV. And these are for swings. These are not things that I'm gonna day trade. NAOV, again, another one holding that 200 moving average. It does have a shelf registration on it, and I need to go and do the research on these and see what has a shelf registration and what doesn't. XTLB is the next one. Got holding up that 200 moving average. Getting a little spike, breaking out of that range there. So one to watch. PROP or PRPO. And I'm just showing you guys this watch list. This is what I'll be working on to kind of start my swinging. PROP coming down there, bouncing off of this 200 moving average. Again, I would like to see a pullback, a red day before entry. NDRA. Just broke over the 200 on the daily chart, so definitely would like to see where it's going to hold up. It's only $2. These price ranges are from the 5 to the 10 cents to $5. BGI is another one. Riding on up there. Very low float with the uptrend on the 200 moving average. So this is what this scan looks for, you know, kind of holding up a little uptrend and possibility for a pullback for entry. Let's see, Volt. Volt is another one. Now this one has already pulled back above the 200 moving average and has found a little bit of a consolidation point right here at the 375-ish area. I mean, did I say 375? Yeah, that is 375. Yep. So a lot of these just catching that bottom bounce. APOP, APOP. It's up there as well. But APOP has a reputation of giving back its gains, and you can see that on the daily chart. So I would definitely be careful with that one. But it can give some nice shoots if possible. AEHL is also there. Ben did have an emergency today, and he's not gonna be able to stream this morning because of it. So yeah, I'll be holding down the stream while he takes care of what he's got to take care of. AEHL just broke over that 200 moving average. You need to see a pullback there if possible. SPYR. Now we're getting to some of the lower volume ones. SYPR. SYPR should be above that 200 moving average. Nice little low float. I don't know if it has any shelf registrations, but it has a nice little uptrend there. KBSF. KBSF. This one hitting that bottom. So yeah, a lot of nice ones on this scanner, and I'll show this scanner maybe at the end of the stream as well to see if it updates or whatever. It looks like it is updating a little bit. Let's see how many tickers did I have on this one? 100. I could bring that down to 50. Bring that down even lower to 20. So 20 stocks is what I want to see. Top 20 stocks. And may manipulate this volume a little bit. All right. Yep. For you that are just tuning in, Ben did have an emergency this morning. He had to see to, so that is why he is not streaming right now. Shares. Nice, nice. Good morning, Fat Boy Drizzy. About to get it in. This TD Ameritrade chart that you're seeing is the swing positions that I'm looking at for low floats. So I just updated it. Let me move it up a little bit. Let's see, did it actually update? There we go. So we'll see on that one. All right. So today, not a super spicy market. That's why I was checking out the swing trades, because we only got one up and it's only up 16%. Maybe something else will pop up later in the day. But we already ran through these swing trades. You can check them out if you want to. Some of them do have shelf registrations. You kind of got to do your own due diligence on them. But yeah, that's what I'm working on, entering some swing trades. This price range is from 10 cents to $5. But we will see. Let's see what the morning brings. CPOP fading, man. Fading hard from pre-market. 820 has a high up here of the 546. I wish my VIXY would come down some, but it continues to just trade within that range. What I'm looking for to add to this position is, okay, so this previous bottom, right, where was that previous bottom? This previous little dip down is right at the $20. I like to add some right down around this area. I already added a little bit, as you can see, but I want to continue to buy around this level. But I need to see it find some support. The other thing is, let's look at the SPY, which it's an inverse of. Is it still going up? Of course it is, right? So the SPY closed yesterday with a nice doji candle up there, nice indecision right in the middle. It did break the high before it did that doji though. Let's see where it is now. 448, just in this channel again, in another channel. So I'm looking for a test down here of some of these lower prices, because it's done this before. It came up, came into a channel, tested for a little bit and had a little drop. So that's what I'm looking for on that trade. But I'll see if I can add a little bit more to that small trade. It's not a lot of risk on it. It's like 60 bucks, I think. ADTX popping up there. What's the news on it? Let me take off this so you guys can see. All right, so they signed a letter of intent for exclusive rights to negotiate the acquisition of biopharmaceutical company commercialization or commercializing and distribution of a antiviral oral therapy for COVID-19. Okay. So they have jumped up here around this 200 moving average. Um, so we'll see what kind of movement that wants to get. It is a low float. Let me go and check the news on it. ADTX. Will we need to play this one? Yeah, we're gonna have to play it tight. ADTX does have those shelves on it from last month. Gonna be a little tight one. Let's see what the floats are at Yahoo Finance. Okay, the float is looking like 12.48 million. I hate that these shelf registration stocks have been moving all week. That's all we've been getting. The worst of the worst. So 12 to 11 million. Where is that one? Shorts. Up 31%. I'd like to see some more volume on it. On the daily chart, it has a high up here of maybe the 318. Good morning, Jay Kratz. High up there of the 318s. Trying to pump up there pre-market. We have 5 minutes until the bell. We'll see what ADTX wants to do today. We will see. Up 40%, just jumped. That volume just jumped up, so could be ready to play ball, but remember that it does have a shelf registration on it, so it may be a little bit wonky. RGC up to $33. Oh man, that's That's crazy. It's probably going to do the same thing that whatchamacallit did. Yeah. Look at that daily chart, looking absolutely disgusting. And it failed to hold over that 200 moving average, and has tested that 200 moving average multiple times. So actually, whoa. This was a close from yesterday. This thing gapped up $15. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of sell off. What's the volume on it? Volume looking like 1 million shares traded for a $15 move. Ain't that something else? I tell you what, 1 million shares traded to move at $15. I'm not touching that. I'm not touching it. I did it before. That spread is ridiculous. Look at the spread on this thing. 60-cent spread. Insanity. ADTX still looking like it's moving up a little bit. That is insane on RGC. If y'all want to play with that game, y'all can play that game, but I'm not gonna play that game. I already know. I already know what's up. We have about 2 minutes to the bell. I'm going to run to the restroom. Right. Let's get it in. Let's get it in. What's up, Lauren? Lauren, I'm trying to adapt some swing trading or adopt some swing trading into my strategy. I made some TD Ameritrade, or I re-downloaded TD Ameritrade so I can fool around with those scanners, and I made an okay scanner. We went over it a little bit. We may look back at it after the open to see what's gonna happen. Let me look at RGC. I just want to see what this thing's gonna do on the open. The other ADTX needs to pull back anyway. But RGC, man, look at it pushing up there. That thing is insanity. Look at this range. Oh my gosh. That's like $1 drop. You can press the buy button and lose $2 in a second. Ain't no way. Ain't no way right there, bro. RGC is ridiculous. Closed at $15 and gapped all the way back over the top of this out to the 30. I don't understand. Who's gonna play that game, man? Lauren, I can teach you. You can teach me. You're the one. You're in beast mode out here in the cheaper stock swinging. You're in beast mode. RGC, man, looking like it wants to go to 40. Market just opened. Oh, okay. That I just went red because of these. Oh, I forgot I had TD Ameritrade on here. My bad, guys, for that bail. I forgot about that. Oh well. TD Ameritrade going up there to 36. I just want to see this one fail. ADTX needs to pull back anyway, so I'll be waiting on that. The RGC, man. Edit again. Did it halt? Yep. Yep. Looks like it halted. Up 137% into a halt, possibly. I don't see the halt yet. Okay. Oh man, the spot, my VIX trades are going up. I want them to go down so I can add to this position. Come on, man. Stop playing. This VIX swing that I got into, it got into this channel down here, and I wanted to kind of play it off of this drop here against the SPY. All right, JFIN popping up there, up 22%. Daily chart looks okay. Getting up there past the 200 moving average. It needs to pull back though. JFIN, do you have any kind of news that we don't like? JFIN. Oh my goodness, this is the shelf registration week. It's got to be. So be quick, be clean, take those quick trades because these are shelf registration stocks moving in the small caps. Oh, I meant to look at RGC. It kind of just paused up there. Usually I get a halt signal here, but I do not see that halt signal. Let me go out here to trade halts. Maybe it didn't register. Let's see. RGC is halted. Okay, yeah. Well, we'll see. We'll see on that one. Let's see. Good morning, MSEC. Rig, RIG. Lauren says Ridge or Rig or yeah, I guess Rig. It's right on. Whoa, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Okay. Baptism by fire right there on RIG. Let's see. Lauren says, LOL, pure luck and being broke, LOL. She said, I did use those gains to pay off most of my debt. Nice. Oh my gosh, is this thing continuing down? I don't know what's up with Ridge. I don't know what's up with that one today. Not looking good. Which is why I can afford not to work right now and have you teach me. I want to figure out video editing so I can help Ben catch up. But it is harvest season for our mushrooms, so that gotta wait. Yeah. Bro, this drop on Ridge is ridiculous. I don't even understand that. Yeah, hopefully no one took a trade on Ridge today because it's moving downwards like a low float penny stock. This thing just dropped 10 cents. And on this share side, I know someone probably had like 1,000 shares, but it's not that bad, really. If you look at it overall, it's just 10 cents. Unless you had like 10,000 shares, then you're in trouble. All right, JFIN still up there. Let's see what kind of moves it wants to give. UUU, very low float. Let's see if it has a shelf. UUU. Yeah, I know, Lauren. So glad you didn't buy either. No shelf on UUU. Very, very low float down here on UUU. So, let's see what we got. Oh, big indecision candle. I like it. Whoops. Where'd my all-in-one go? All right, has a little top here of the 724s up there. Look at all these wicks. It's not a good sign. Let's see, it had pre-market high. It almost looks like a head and shoulders pattern on the 15-minute. 719, and then that's the head. Almost looks like a head and shoulder. We'll see though. Has a lot more volume than JFIN. I like it. I might play it low, play it small on UUU. Did they have news sometime this week? Earnings flash, universal security, instruments, okay, profit amid revenue boost. Okay, let's see. I don't really see any crazy news on it, but it looks like it can be a nice mover. It already has a confirmed bottom here of this around this $6, but I would like to see some type of pullback within this range before it goes. ADTX trying to get back on the scanner. Let's get that one. All right, it had a high up there, getting kind of smushed right there. 298, $3 is that resistance level. So kind of looking a little crazy. JFIN. Ooh, okay, JFIN. I have to see a pullback on that. I want to see a little bit of consolidation after that explosion. You need the Wall Street bets people to hit up CTRM again. I'm so close to 220. Sell like 7 cents. Let's look at that. CTRM. Oh yeah. It's like it's coming back down to the 200 moving average. UUU kind of struggling here. Only up 16%, but if it can hold up, that would be great. Not that volatile though. JFIN going down there. Yes, my VIX XY trade is going down. I want to buy a little bit more, a little bit lower in this channel. The bottom is the 2155, so I'll probably be adding around that area to this one and see what the SPY does. Let's see, what is the SPY doing right now? Okay, it went down a little bit. Just working in this channel again. All right, ADTX back green on the day. Daily charts, it's got to get back up to those 90s, which it looks like it wants to do now. SNTG popping up there on the scanner. So we're getting a lot of little low floats moving today. I like it. This isn't even my low float scanner. This is all trash. So this is pretty much everything in the trash can, which is the small cap market. And then I have my low floats over here, low. Right there. So let's go back to all trash since it seems all of them are in there. SNG. Tried to go up a little bit lower volume. All right, UUU. Lawrence says, which is fine. Like I said yesterday, I'm just being greedy. J. Crash said, do I want to riscotto and garlic knots? Oh, Lawrence said 2 J. Kratz. Gotcha. All right, waiting and watching. Looking for one. Wow, ADTX forming a huge topping tail right there. Not looking good. JFIN did get some consolidation there. Ooh, that pre-market high is all the way up at the 526. That's the resistance level that I don't think it's going to be able to reach. It did double top there, looks like. High 495, 495. SNTG. Finally trying to pull back a little bit. UUUU. Getting a little bit of consolidation there. I like it. Still needs to give a pullback. All right, so JFIN. I need to actually add those to the notes. ADX. All right, so this one has a shelf. '21. Who's going to become the obvious stock? JFIN also had a shelf that I need to add to the notes. Come on. For you guys just tuning in, Ben did have an emergency this morning that he had to attend to. That's why he's not streaming this morning. So he'll probably update us later on today or something like that. All right, back out to UUU. UUU is looking the best to me. ADTX probably going to form some more tails. CNTG also popping off that thing, getting some more volume there. Right. ADTX. $157 on ADTX. Nice trade, man. That one's a crazy one. Remember it has that shelf, so it's gonna be very sporadic. It can do whatever, and it can also drop whatever. All right, SNTG looking okay. You got those happy mushrooms. Make everybody smile. ADTX looks like it's going to be working on some wicks here. Nice little pullbacks. JFIN not being able to hold up. UUU. If it can consolidate a little bit, I like this one the best. I didn't even check the news on these. SNTG doesn't have any news. UUU had news earlier. Waiting for the pullback on UUU though. Okay, JFIN going on down. ICLK, what is this one? Trash. I don't want it. I mean, since we have so many low floats, I just look at the low floats. All right, so these three. Woo! Took a little dip there. Lordy, lordy. SNTG. ADTX, did it continue or did it start falling? First little pullback there. Gonna be a little iffy stock. UUU not pulling back yet either. It's not a good sign. SNTG getting snappy. Waiting and watching. Yeah, if you traded ADTX, boy, that was a heck of a move. You got some gonads on you. What's up, LJ44? You was in RGC at 2805. It keeps halting. Uh-oh. Let's see what it said. RGC. Yeah, I said I wasn't going to play that game today. Is it halted going down? Yep, halted going down. So, we'll see. You know, y'all want to play that game. What is this move? This move is from the 37 down to the 34. That's a $3 move. Boy, I was not playing that game today. I don't care. Call me a chicken. All right, you finally getting a little bit of consolidation. Is the SPY going down now? Because my VIX is going up. So let's see what the SPY is doing. Coming into this consolidation, got a red candle up here. If it can break down this 447.92, the 448 is where I need to see it break down today. Would be great. Anyway, back up to the most dangerous, ADTX. Getting nice volume through there. 18 million shares. You just needs to consolidate. That's all I was looking for on it. But it just continues to kind of grind up. There's some red. About to say it continues to grind up, but as soon as I said that, it's like it wants to consolidate a bit. SNTG. It will get a little bit more volume out here. It says it's only up 16%. Maybe it hasn't updated here yet. Looking a little heavy there. ADTX. We got a ramping buying volume, but then we got this little fall off. So we'll have to kind of see what this volume wants to do. It's very scary. Uh-oh. Yeah, ADTX is one of those that'll take you out. It's giving pops and then drops. So you got to be very quick. Maybe with limit orders up there. Because look at this motion it's getting with that shelf registration on it. Insanity. Game down 6%. Let me read the rest of what LJ44 said. He said, keeps getting halted. I checked the below link for NASDAQ trade halting, but it does not tell the time to resume. Is it normally 5 or 10 minutes after halt time? It's 5 minutes. 5 minutes normally. Let me go and look at it. RGC. Still halted. Let me go and trade. Go and look at that halt scanner. RGC halted at the 941. So it should have been open. So this must be a 10-minute halt on it. SNTG going on down. Nice, showing its true colors. UUU trying to hold up. ADTX, just not something I want to touch right now. UUU is what I'm looking at. If it can hold up. It's got the 9 right there. It's got a lot of potential. See if what it can hold up here. Yeah, 15 minutes. So you might be in there for a while. That's why I didn't want to play that game, man. That game is set. It's rigged. It's rigged. Okay, there's UUU. All right, so the low here is the 679. I want to see it. I want to see a little bit of red and then maybe a little bit of green. A little bit of green and then maybe a little bit of red. Try to hold this bottom here of the 675 level. That's what I'm looking for. So we got a little bit of support through here. We'll see if it can hold anything up here. Got the 326 up here. Yeah, I don't know about that one. It's an indecision, but on that shelf, it could go, it could not. It's just too much risk on it for me. Popping down there. Wanted to see it hold up that 9 EMA. 9 EMA is at the 770, the 675 popping off the scanner. So ADTX is the only thing that hasn't died yet. So let me go back over to my other scanner, which is the all trash. Let's see what we got here in the all trash. JFIN did consolidate. It also has a shelf. I just don't like messing with shelves. I tried to mess with shelves yesterday and they don't follow the patterns that I'm used to. They'll break, like look at JFIN right here. It broke a double top. Came up here, what, another 20 cents maybe? 15 cents, something like that. Breaking double tops and then coming back and felling them. So not what I want to see there. Go check out the SPY. All right, it took a nice dip down. Wow, but held that level. Has higher lows forming there. Ooh, getting a little heavy. I see what it wants to do today. I'm only down 13 cents on these small shares. I want to be getting in lower though on this VX IY position. What is this on my scanner? ICLK. Does it have any news on the day? Okay, iClick wins best use of AI in March Tech. Interactive Asian. This is like a Chinese stock, I guess. iClick Interactive Asia Group's board of directors has approved to upsize the share repurchase program. So they're trying to buy back their shares. Okay, nice. Let them do them. JFIN just being a sporadic stock out there. These are the only two holding the scanner right now. So I will go and watch RGC, see if it came out of its halt. Oh my God. Okay, so it halted right here in the 34 and opened up at the 31. So lost $3 on that. And it's also red on the day now. So it may be a short paradise today. We will see. JFIN still below the pre-market high. I don't think it can get back up there. We'll see. Will I be wrong? Will I be right? ADTX looking very questionable here as well. Ooh, the SPY must be going up. Price is going down. Let's see. What's the SPY at now? Yep, going up a little bit. It just needs to break this bottom of the 447 strong. But I don't know if it can do it. What's the volume on the SPY today? Can we get some level 2s here? Volume is 3 million shares traded. It looks like the biggest candle today was a sell-off. So haven't seen any buying challenge that sell-off. So today, much patience is required, and much retaliation against FOMO, because ADTX is definitely a nice one, a nice looking one, but it's a setup. JFIN consolidating up here above VWAP, still below this pre-market high. Daily chart looks okay, but that shelf, man. If you want to take this one, hey, play ball. ADTX looking like it's getting ready to bury somebody. Wonder, can it break down the 315-ish area? Looks like it needs to break down. Okay, the SPY must be popping up pretty strong. Need to add that SPY up here. Let's see if I can add that SPY real quick. Yeah. Let's add the SPY to this. So I can keep an eye on it. All right. DIA is down. I like these red days on the SPY and the DIA. Giving some nice, getting a nice little dip down there on the VIX. Yes, yes. Nice little dip. That's why I'm glad I'm in small share size. Not in the SPY isn't even jumping up like that. Why is it going down so much? Okay, it did jump up a little bit. But still not to my ad spot, so I'm good to go. I'll wait. UUU got a nice little wick down here to the 650 level. I do like that wick. I do like that. It was money to be made in ADTX, but fast. Before I even took back up twice, I was already selling. Yeah, very uncomfortable situations there. ADTX looking like it wants to dump. It did break that 315 level, going red on that bar. JFIN also not looking good. The one that I'm watching now is UUU. I do like this, the fact that it has these levels here that it could possibly hold. So I do like that, especially if it can stay above this 650 level. I'm gonna go ahead and play this one. Intraday. So I'll get in. I'll do what I want to do here. Oh, it opened up below this candle. Let's see if it gives us some more red here. Open up a little low. See if it'll get some red there. I like that. I let it consolidate a little bit more. Yeah, I saw that low open. I was like, ooh, gotta wait a little bit. But I do like it. All right, ADTX is trying to pop back up there. Needs to break and stay below that 315. That's the only way it's gonna go down. All right, below the 350. Actually, it may be sporadic. You never know. UUU. right on that 9 EMA there. Let's see. Lawrence says I got blocked for saying I love seafood so much that I literally stopped breathing and, and collapsed. Oh my gosh. You could say it's a bit of a abusive relationship, but I love it so much. Oh, I have Instagram already, or I hate Instagram already. Oh my goodness. That is funny. JFIN going on down through the floor. ADX, this one, man. I hate stocks like this. They don't want to stay down. They don't act right. And then the news, let's see, what was the news? Letter of intent. So this thing is moving up this much on a letter of intent. Are you serious? I don't know if I want to play that game. I'm just going to stay away from this game. Would love for UUU to stay on the scanner. UUU taking a nice little dip down there. So we'll have to wait for that to reset up. That's why it popped out the scanner. So ADTX, man, is the only thing holding. Is this a head and shoulders pattern at the 330 here on the 15-minute? Looks like a head at the 338. Can it break this 330? 29's on the tape. Ooh, popped up there quick. Threw a wick up there. Could not hold though. Immediate rejection. Can it get back over the 30s? That was a huge pop. That was a bull trap, I think. That's crazy. The SPY is up today. The SPY is up today. Can we get over those 30s? That was a very quick little fake out right there. There, 32s on the bid. Can it hold the 30s? 30 back up there. 33s. Okay, it's holding. Very slow mover though. That's scary. Let me go and look at RGC real quick. RGC looking like it's forming a body bag. All right, so back over here. Very slow mover now. This breakout was from the 31 up to the 40, so about 9 cents. So maybe a grinder with that shelf, but the news just isn't strong enough to keep it up here.